Hello guys, welcome back to my Maini liver recipe. So this is how they look like after being boiled. So I boiled my Maini. Yeah. So this is how they look like after being boiled. So I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to put my onions in a sufuria. I'm going to add my cooking oil. I've added my cooking oil. So I'm going to wait till they turn golden brown in color. So I want a golden brown color. So here is our golden brown color. So I'm going to add my tomatoes, cut into very fine pieces. So I've added my tomatoes. Yeah, so and I'm going to make sure I mix so well. So I'm crushing my tomatoes. So these are my readily crushed tomatoes. They look wow. So I'm adding my Maini, my liver. Yeah, and I'm going to mix. I'm going to stir it so that I can get a very perfect mixture. So mixing my Maini. And I'm going to add my spice. Today I'm using Dania. Yeah. So I'm adding my Dania to my Maini. And I'm going to leave them to boil for some time. Yeah, I'm going to add my salt. I'm going to add my salt, a pinch of salt to add flavor. And I'm going to leave them to boil for just 5 minutes after adding my salt. So leave it to boil for some time. And you can even add roiko or the ingredients you want to use, but mine I only want to use the corianders, the dania. I just made it in a very African way. So guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe.